To put your Spectrum router in bridge mode, start by accessing the router's web interface. Open a web browser and type the router's IP address, which is usually 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Press enter and log in to the router using the admin username and password, which can be found on the underside of the router or in the documentation that came with it. Once logged in, look for the Advanced Wireless Settings or Bridge Mode section. This may vary depending on the router model. In this section, you will find the option to enable bridge mode. Select the bridge mode option and confirm that you want to enable it. Next, you will need to configure your router's IP address settings. In bridge mode, the router will no longer be acting as a DHCP server, so you will need to set a static IP address for your devices. You can do this by going to the LAN settings section and selecting the option to use a static IP address. Now, connect to your router using an Ethernet cable and go to the device that will be acting as the new router, such as a wireless access point or another router. Configure this device to act as the new router and set its IP address to the same subnet as the Spectrum router. Finally, restart both the Spectrum router and the new router to apply the changes. Your Spectrum router should now be in bridge mode, allowing you to use a separate router or wireless access point to manage your network. It is essential to note that putting your Spectrum router in bridge mode will disable some of its features, such as the built-in wireless network and DHCP server. However, this can be beneficial if you want to use a more advanced router or wireless access point to manage your network. Always refer to the user manual or contact Spectrum support if you are unsure about any part of the process.